There's the XL. I need to clean up the windshield. Clean this stuff off here before we get going.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it, a life worth living.
Here we are. Oh, fuel truck's here. I'm going to tell them to top it off here. We're departing at 1500, empty, flying to Statesville, spend the night. Next morning we come back out of there at 06:15 in the morning. 2 passengers, fly back here, drop off, reposition to the downtown Parks Airport. Then at 11:30 we take back off, head to Statesville, sit there till 6 p.m. and back to Spirit of St. Louis. Back in here probably, I'm guessing 7:30. So it'll be a pretty long day. Lots of fun. Oh, and Ted's on his way. I'll ask if he wants to be in a video. Plenty of M&Ms. Good. Check the lav. It's dry. I'm going to have to throw some lav fluid in there. We had it dumped last time. I just want to make sure it was dumped before I put anything in there. Okay, it's flushing. That's what we're looking for. Okay, we got full fuel. Okay, brake is set. You got to be careful when you go to the off position with the battery because it's actually a 3-position switch. If you go past off to EMER, it goes to the emergency position, and there's some hot items that will drain the battery. There he goes. He's got it. Close. She's ready to go.
B1, rotate. Positive rate. Gear up. Selected. Feet.
Hey, yaw dampener, please.
Selected.
Station 9 uniform, contact center departure 126.5. How we going?
Okay, go to departure 26.5, 9 uniform, good day. I'll get you heading, vertical speed, and 26.5. Departure Citation 9 uniforms out of 1,700 for 3,000, roll heading.
November 9 uniform, St. Louis departure, radar contact, climb maintain 5,000, and turn left heading 120, vector through climb.
Climb maintain 5,000, heading of 120 for 9 uniform.
Short vector for sequence. I got a jet coming in from over the top of Lambert.
Right heading 150, correct track 688.
November 9 uniform, departure on 128.1.
28.1, 9 uniform. Departure Citation 9 uniforms out of 4,000 for 5,000.
Station 9 uniform, St. Louis departure, hello Jim, Captain Main, climb maintain 15,000, turn left direct Centralia.
Good morning, actually good afternoon, and direct Centralia, climb maintain 15,000 for 9 uniform.
Carbondale 549 Alpha, turn left heading 180.
Left 180, Carbondale 549 Alpha.
You're going to DTO us there?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. And I see 15,000. I got the autopilot engaged. I pulled the throttles back.
We're coming 5,000 on a 305 heading.
It's bumpy down here.
Yes, sir.
Departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 15,000. 15,000 on the west side.
Just can't escape your fans, can you?
You're right about that. All right.
Baron 34 X-ray, contact approach 123.7. 23.7, bye-bye.
Mission back to norm.
Normal. Brakes are on.
Takeoff complete.
Okay.
South 770, turn left heading 210, expect direct to Pless next on the departure. Okay, left 210, southwest 770. Exit at 345, contact Kansas City Center on 134.5, 345, see ya.
345, so 345, see ya.
Carbondale 549 Alpha, turn right, direct to steer.
Turning right, direct to steer, Carbondale 549 Alpha.
Well, it wants to climb, doesn't it?
Yes, sir.
Arch Southwest 2326, right at 2.4, climbing via the Whirling. South 2326, St. Louis departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 15,000. Maintain 15,000, South 2326. Southwest 770, turn left direct west to resume the Drews 5 departure.
Okay, left direct west for the Drews 5 departure, Southwest 770.
Out of 10,000.
Station uniform, contact Kansas City Center 127.7, see you later.
127.7, talk to you later, 9 uniform.
St. Louis departure, Gulfstream.
I never know what the hell to say to him. I mean, what do you say?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget, what's your tip called?
The tip?
Yeah, what's that called?
The tip.
Where they give you $1?
Oh! Hold on. Kansas City Center citation under uniform is out of 13,100 for flight level. Correction, 15,000.
We're 9 uniform, Kansas Center, howdy, climb, maintain flight level 330.
Howdy, climb, maintain 330, 9 uniform.
I see it.
Okay, 330 is set. Yeah, just throw me
You should say, don't forget to, whatever that is, where they give you $1 for
Oh, and if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, throw a buck in my Patreon.
Patreon. That's what I was looking for.
Sometimes they put more than that in there.
November 669 Charlie, Charlie, contact Atlanta Center 132.62.
132.62, 9 Charlie Charlie.
Volunteer 3404, contact Indianapolis Center 126.57.
2307. Then she wanted to know about the weather and approach. She's probably the last one we're talking to. Okay, we're out of 10,000. Yeah, definitely slow down in this stuff.
Yeah, I'm at idle.
November 9 uniform, you're clear direct to the Statesville Airport, descend and maintain 3,600.
Okay, cleared direct to the Statesville Airport and down to 3,600 for 9 uniform.
I see 3,600.
Well, it should have eventually appear. As soon as we see it, I'll cancel IFR.
Okay.
And she gave us direct to the airport, so let's do this. There it is. Activate. And it's right over here.
Okay.
I see. I think I see it cut out over there.
I do.
Does that look like it? And 9 uniforms got Statesville in sight. Cancel IFR.
November 9 uniform, IFR cancellation received, slot VFR change revisor approved. Have a good day.
9 uniform, good day. Let me get this in here. I don't see anybody, don't hear anybody. Statesville traffic citation under uniform is crossing midfield at 3,000, Statesville. Ignition.
Ignitions are coming on. I was going to take the autopilot off.
Okay. Statesville traffic citation under uniform is left downwind for 28 Statesville.
All right, flaps takeoff approach, please.
Speed checks. Selected.
Gear down.
Selected.
Thank you.
No green, no red.
Thank you.
Statesville traffic citation under uniform is turning left base 28 Statesville. Oh, you got it right there.
Flaps to land, please.
Speed check selected. Got it, we go.
Alrighty. What were the winds showing again?
The last I had was 330 at 12.
Okay.
It's disengaged for me.
Okay.
Checklist complete.
All right.
$500. $300.
Rough plus about 15.
$200. Minimums. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5.
9 uniform, Statesville, Unicom.
9 uniform.
Yeah, are you guys coming over to the FBO or Southside?
We're going to go over to the FBO.
Are you spending the night?
Yes, ma'am, and we should have a rental car there.
You don't.
Okay, well, we'll find out when we get there. Thanks.
Well, that's not good. No, sir.
We've got a little bit of a rental car problem. We're going to see what we can do about that. It's just part of the job. With our rental car, it didn't get dropped off, but the FBO, they were just fantastic to work with. They're letting us use one of the courtesy cars to go to the hotel, and we'll bring it back in the morning. And I think what we're going to do is we will actually top it off with gas is what we'll do, because that's the right thing to do. I mean, I appreciate it. And I know the people that we're working for appreciate them doing that. So Ted is driving. Yeah, he got into the building first and got the courtesy car. Yeah, but hey, it is what it is. Oh, and then we're going to dinner. We're going to Outback. There's an Outback just down the street from the Courtyard Marriott. And then we'll be back here at 05:15 in the morning for our 6:15 takeoff. We've already got it fueled up. Forgot to tell them about the coffee. Oh yeah, we brought the coffee pot with us. In these airplanes, it's a big old square or cubicle thing or a rectangular heavy thing. But we're going to stop at a gas station and get coffee. That's what we're going to do. There's the coffee pot right there. That was good. Very good.
We are in North Carolina.
Yeah, North Carolina. Yeah, we're going back. Take a nap. And then get back to the airport. Okay, 5 a.m. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the likes and comments. And if you made it this far, you need to subscribe. That way you'll find out about future videos coming out. And if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can always toss a buck in my Patreon. I appreciate everything. You guys keep the blue side up, the brown side down, and fly safe. And as always, be good.